Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll draw a pentagonal prism of side 30 mm and axis height 50 mm is resting on one of its longest edge on HP with axis parallel to HP and VP, both, and one side of the prism is inclined at 45 degree to HP. We'll draw a first angle. So first we will draw side view. We'll draw one inclined line at 45 degree and on that we'll cut 30. After that I will take the side. I'm drawing pentagon by 3 circle method. You can draw by any method, but I feel when it is inclined, it is advisable to do it by this method. Okay, after drawing pentagon, you draw one vertical line and inclined line like this, 45 degree. Now we'll draw front view and side view. So for front view, I will project lines. See, like this. I'm not sure which one is dark, which one is dotted. So I'm just taking 50 mm axis height and I'm drawing the extreme boundary dark. See this, if you see extreme boundary is dark. Now this is A double dash, B double dash. Inside view we write double dash. So when I see from here, C double dash, see this, C double dash will be dark, that is C dash. E double dash will be dotted because it is behind, and A double dash is also dotted, that is A dash. Same way I will project all these points in top view also. For top view, observer will see from the top. So remember from where observer is watching, according to that we will draw. Here also I am drawing all 5 lines. Now I don't know which one is dark, which one is dotted. So first what I will do, first I will draw a boundary line. So boundary line will be dark. Now when observer will see from top, in this case, see this is A dash, E dash, D dash, C dash and B dash, front view. And for top view we see from here, so A and C is here. Now this B will be, D will be dark, E will be dark and B will be dotted. I guess I made a mistake in naming, so please avoid that. It is B. This is axis. So I hope you people have understood this. Ignore that B in top view. I have written E, it's actually B.